Hello friends, is your brake pedal suddenly feeling weak or unresponsive? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0557, it means there's a problem with the brake booster pressure sensor circuit, low input. This issue can lead to reduced braking power, making your car unsafe to drive. In this video I'll explain what P0557 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0557? The P0557 code stands for Brake Booster Pressure Sensor Circuit Low Input. The brake booster pressure sensor is responsible for measuring the vacuum pressure inside the brake booster and sending data to the engine control module, or ECM. If the ECM detects a voltage reading that is too low, it triggers code P0557 and may limit brake assist, making braking harder than normal. Common symptoms of P0557: check engine light, CEL, is on. Brake pedal feels harder than usual. Increased stopping distance, hissing noise from the brake booster, engine stalling when braking. If you're facing these issues, let's find the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0557, check these key components. Brake booster pressure sensor. Location: attached to the brake booster, usually on the driver's side firewall. Brake booster assembly. Location: connected to the master cylinder, helping with vacuum-assisted braking. Vacuum hoses and check valve. Location: rubber hoses running from the intake manifold to the brake booster. Tip: a failing brake booster pressure sensor can make braking unsafe and cause unexpected engine stalling. Common causes of P0557: faulty brake booster pressure sensor. The sensor is failing and providing incorrect readings. Loose or damaged wiring. Corroded or disconnected wires can cause low voltage issues. Vacuum leak. A cracked or disconnected vacuum hose can cause low input signals. Brake booster failure. If the booster isn't holding vacuum, braking performance will suffer. ECM malfunction. A rare issue where the ECM misinterprets sensor signals. How to fix P0557. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0557 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake booster pressure sensor for any visible damage. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for loose, broken, or corroded connections. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage output. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses for cracks, leaks, or disconnections. Step 6. Replace the sensor or any faulty parts and clear the code. Final words. Ignoring P0557 can result in hard braking, poor stopping power, and safety risks while driving. Fixing it early ensures a safer and smoother ride. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0362, ignition coil L primary-secondary circuit malfunction. P0363, misfire detected with fuel cutoff. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.